journey has never been about one man, one nation, or one generation. It has always been about one people, one purpose, one heart, one love. Today we rise together. One drop crew begins skanking, guitar joins the harping organ as the bicycles sing to a beat, one rhythm. From the mountains to the sea, Jah has called humanity. Different faces, different names, still one fire, still one flame. Every language, every song, to one family we belong. Hand in hand we cross the tide, walking with Jah as our guide. Raise your voice, lift your hands, peace begins across the lands. Stand as one, heart to heart, this is where tomorrow starts. One love forever, one heart forever. Truth will guide us now and ever. One love forever. Side by side, Jah is walking as our guide. One love, one heart, never let us drift apart. Let the children laugh again, free from hatred, free from pain. May the hungry all be fed, may hope rise where fear has spread. Plant the truth in every soul, helping broken hearts grow whole. When compassion leads the way, darkness turns to brighter day. Here I am, love is not just a feeling, it is a decision made every day. Choose love, even when it is difficult. That choice can change the world.